Welcome to Cars View, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews and automotive content. If you love cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on the hottest rides in the industry. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most legendary performance sedans ever built, the BMW M3. The BMW M3 is an icon in the automotive world, representing the perfect balance between luxury, power, and precision engineering. Born from BMW's motorsport heritage, the M3 has evolved over multiple generations, each refining its performance and technology while staying true to its roots. The latest iteration, the G80 M3, pushes the boundaries of what a performance sedan can achieve. Under the hood, the BMW M3 houses a beastly 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, known as the S58. This powerplant produces 473 horsepower in the standard model and an even more exhilarating 503 horsepower in the competition variant. The torque figures are just as impressive, with 550 Nm in the base model and 650 Nm in the competition version. This immense power translates to breathtaking acceleration, with the M3 Competition capable of hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Whether on the track or the open road, this car delivers an adrenaline-fueled driving experience. One of the most exciting features of the M3 is the option between rear-wheel drive and BMW's advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system. The rear-wheel drive variant provides the purest driving experience, ideal for enthusiasts who love controlled drifts and sharp handling. Meanwhile, the xDrive model offers superior grip and stability, making it a powerhouse in all conditions. For those who crave ultimate engagement, the standard M3 comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, a rare offering in today's high-performance car market. The competition model, however, is paired exclusively with an 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic transmission, delivering lightning-fast shifts and maximum efficiency. BMW has taken handling to another level with the M3's meticulously tuned chassis and suspension. The adaptive M suspension, precise steering, and advanced aerodynamics ensure that every drive is dynamic and responsive. The electronically controlled limited slip differential helps distribute power efficiently, allowing for confident cornering at high speeds. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or attacking a race circuit, the M3 feels planted and agile, embodying BMW's ultimate driving machine philosophy. The aggressive exterior design of the M3 is unmistakable, featuring bold lines, a muscular stance, and BMW's controversial yet striking large kidney grille. The aerodynamic enhancements, such as the sculpted front bumper, prominent side skirts, and rear diffuser, not only add to its aggressive look but also enhance performance by improving airflow and reducing drag. Optional carbon fiber elements, including the roof and mirror caps, contribute to weight reduction while adding a race-inspired aesthetic. The quad exhaust system at the rear delivers a deep, intoxicating sound that perfectly complements the car's thrilling performance. Inside the cabin, the M3 offers a luxurious yet sporty atmosphere. Premium materials like merino leather, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents elevate the experience. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by BMW's latest iDrive technology. The intuitive interface, combined with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system, ensures that connectivity and entertainment are top-notch. The optional M-Carbon bucket seats provide exceptional support, keeping the driver securely in place during spirited driving while maintaining long-distance comfort. Safety and driver assistance technology are also key highlights of the M3. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and parking assistance ensure a safe and stress-free driving experience. BMW has also integrated M-Drive Professional, which includes a track mode, drift analyzer, and lap timer, allowing drivers to enhance their skills and push the car to its limits in a controlled environment. Customization options for the M3 are extensive, with a variety of exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior finishes available. BMW's individual program even allows buyers to create a truly unique M3 tailored to their preferences. Whether you prefer a stealthy all-black look or a vibrant Isle of Man green finish, the M3 can be personalized to reflect your style. In conclusion, the BMW M3 remains a benchmark in the sports sedan segment, combining breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology, and everyday usability. It's a car that thrills on the track while offering the comfort and practicality needed for daily driving. BMW has once again proven that the M3 is not just a car, it's an experience. That's all for today's deep dive into the BMW M3. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Cars View for more exciting car content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the M3 and which car you'd like us to cover next. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next video.